Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at the 1972 Datsun 510. So this is my first Greenlight Collectibles car. First one I've actually seen in Australia so far. Seen them online, seen other people opening them. I think they're pretty big in US. Walmart, I've seen them on the shelves with other things, but I've not actually seen the 510 Datsun, and I decided to pick this up. I have a couple of other Datsuns here, a couple of 510s, the rally car from Matchbox to compare with. So the 510 on the rally pack could really do with a paint job for the stuff on top. I think there's a premium version of this too, but I haven't found it. The 510 wagon, which in this particular lighting is coming very blue on top. It's actually a turquoise. My camera's not picking that up. Maybe it's the lighting I'm using. Very nice 510 wagon, Hot Wheels. I think that's actually upside down. Yep, so 71. And not a 510, but a, see if I can get that. Is that a 620? 520. I can't tell. But it's also in the same pack. But I'm going to open this up today. So my first time actually finding one of these in the wild. The car looks absolutely awesome. And I kind of like the idea of getting something else along the lines. I've got a Mini GT in amongst my Porsche collection, and it looks awesome as well. So I'm not 100% sticking to Hot Wheels. So this is a 2024 licensed Greenlight product. Can't see anything else on there. I am going to keep this card here. I'm going to cut out the poster and put this in a small diorama because it's actually got the old school poster for it. At least that's what it looks like. Got one on the front too, so either the front or the rear. I think it's the same. Without further talking, let's get going. So it's a sealed plastic. One of these, oh, there it goes, fling. One of these annoying one to get open. Definitely not reusing this. Blister pack. Oh, that last part's a little bit stubborn. Alright, I think that's enough to get it out. Take the card out, see if we can get it out without damaging it. Just good. Actually, that may not be right for getting this out, so I'll tell you what, it'll be a lot harder for people to steal these in store, which is actually a good thing because unfortunately occasionally you do see that. Hot Wheels, empty packets on the shelves. There's nothing more annoying than that. This is a nice looking car. Let's take it out. So we'll put this on a turntable at the end, show it off. Actually looks like that bonnet can come up, but I'm not 100% sure if it does. I don't want to break anything, but it really looks like that can come up. There we go. Yes, it does. Oh wow, that's got some detail, isn't it? Now, compared with a Hot Wheels, even premium, these are way more expensive, but they're about the same price probably as a Mini GT. So light blue carburetor filter and silver rocker cover, black engine, battery. Well, it's really difficult to see. There we go, that's a bit of lighting. Yeah. Definitely be making a small Datsun diorama with this. Now I don't think that door comes open. They had a few other green lights there at my local. This is actually from Toy World Australia, so the toy store. They had a few other green light ones, and considered getting them, but the price, I was like, well, I need to find out what they're like first. Look at the is there a sticker on the back? It is, isn't it? Yeah, same on the other side. A little bit of suspension? I don't think so. I think that's just, yeah, left to right. Got a bit of a metallic look to that blue paint. Is alright. Not even just alright, it's awesome. Metal base. Got that upside down. 2017. 1972. Datsun 510. Under license, yep. I actually think that's a quality piece of very small car. Happy to get that one. I'll tell you what, it actually looks like that door could open, but no. Passenger and driver doors are open, quite tinted in the back. Black seats. Interior is all black. Yeah, I'm going to put that on a turntable so that you can actually, well, compared with the others, that's actually quite small. So you can actually see that, and I will take the card, and in the future I'm going to put it on, probably cut this out, or the one on the rear. I think they're about the same size, and that'll go off on the wall as a poster for whatever diorama I put it on. So this is Series 11, had a 55 Chevrolet sedan, delivery, half as a Scout, I saw that there. Oldsmobile 442, I believe I saw that there. Ford Thunderbird, Jeep CJ7 Renegade. Don't remember if I saw that, but definitely the Thunderbird and the Oldsmobile. Nice big American cars. Yeah, alright, so my first green light here in Australia. Local Toy World got them in. Got them in by mistake, she said. The owner lady got them in by mistake, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll put that on the turntable. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.